Hello everyone, this is Mark. In today's video, I will show you how to set up HF fiber laser welder. On my left hand side, you can see that's the air tank or the air container. In the middle, the small box was the automatic wire feeder. And the blue white box is the fiber laser welding machine. In the first stage, I will do some connections. This black air container, I will connect the air pipe from the back of the welder. We call this the welder pressure reduction valve. The air pipe size is 4 times 6 millimeter. In the air container, you can see 2 meters. Now I will open this valve to release the air container. You may see from this output pressure meter, the result is 0.8 MPa. So to keep the air pipe safe here, we need to make sure the pressure was under 1 MPa. The other side of the air pipe we connect to the air container over here. Then we need to make sure the pressure at the reduction valve between 0.2 to 0.4 MPa. Now we have the number is less than 0.2. So we need to increase the pressure a bit. Release the pressure lock and rotate clockwise to increase the pressure. Now we have the pressure increase to the 0.3, about 0.3, okay, and the pressure is in the safe range. Then we will install the automatic wine feeder with 1 mm width wine for stainless steel